Good day, everyone. I am Miss Rialyn Sarlido with Miss Leia Glenn Bernardino and Almeida Santa. For today's video, we gonna make a video tutorial related to alternating series. But before, let me discuss first what is alternating series. Alternating series is an infinite series of the form, where the term alternate between negative and positive.
Good day everyone. Today I'm going to share you my idea about alternating series test. The alternating series test, we have two conditions. The first condition is limit of n approaches to infinity, a sub n is equal to 0, and then the second condition is a sub n plus 1 is less than or equal to a sub n. So now, let's give an example of alternating series. Summation of infinity n approaches to 1, negative 1 raised to the power of n over 3 the natural number log n. And now, the first is, we will check to see, to make sure this limit is equal to 0. So, the condition of the alternating series is limit of n approaches to infinity, a sub n is equal to 0. And then, the second one is a n plus 1 less than or equal to a sub n. And then, we will check to see if the non-alternating series is decreasing. So a sub n is equal to 1 over 3 times natural log n. And then, we remember that a sub n is non-alternating part of this formula, this one. So, now, we will determine the limit as n approaches infinity, or the condition of the alternating series 1. So, we can limit of n approaches to infinity 1 over 3 times natural log n. Now, the denominator increases without bound, and our numerator is fixed. This is equal to 0. So, we were satisfied the first condition, which is limit of n approaches to infinity, a sub n is equal to 0. So, this one is alternating series. Let's take the condition of alternating series number 2. So our an is 1 over 3 times natural log n. Then we can is equal to 1 over 3 times the natural log n, in, or the natural log n, times n plus 1. So this one, I want to make sure that this is less than or equal to a sub n, which is, the a sub n is 1 over, which is 1 over 3, the natural log n and n. Again, if we're adding 1 to n here, and then taking the natural log n, which is this denominator will increase. So, this to be exactly increased by the condition of 2. So, therefore, these fractions will always be less than or equal to a sub n. So, both condition of alternating series, the first condition we can satisfy is equal to 0, and then the last condition of alternating series is less than or equal to a sub n than a sub n plus 1. So we can satisfy this condition or this example for alternating series. By alternating series test, summation of infinity n is equal to 1, negative 1 raised to the power of n over 3 times natural log n is convergence.